Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install OBS Studio on Windows 11. Let's start with the video. Go to the browser, type OBS Studio, press enter. You will get the first link on the top of your screen from obsproject.com. So click on this link. I will share this link in the description. Here you will see the OBS Studio for different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Here you can also see the latest version of this software. So I will click on Windows. After that your downloading will be started. You can see from here it will take some time. So wait for a few seconds. It is about 149 MB in size, so be patient till the downloading is completed. Once downloading is completed, click on this file. Open this file. Now you will get the OBS Studio software. So just click on next. This is the license agreement. You can read it from here. Click on next. Here is the default location where OBS is going to be installed. So if you want to change it, then you can just click on browser and then select your folder from here. Just like I will select D, and D I will select this folder and click on OK and click on install. You will see the installation will begin. It will take some time. Once the setup is completed, make sure you have checked launch OBS Studio and then click on finish. You can see the OBS Studio logo here. Here we need to specify for what purpose we are going to use this. So it's giving us three options. One is primarily for streaming, whereas recording is secondary. Second option is we are going to use this for recording and never going to stream. And third one is going to be used for virtual camera. So this case will vary from person to person. In my case, I am going to use it for recording. So just click on second option and then click on next. Here you can change the resolution, but I am okay with the default one. You can also change it later. So click on next. Click on apply setting. Here in case if you want a capture, then just go here, click on this and then from here click on display capture and then click on OK and then again click on OK. Here you can see we are getting our screen here. This is our mic, that is our voice input, and this is desktop audio. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install OBS Studio in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.